Hi, I have today this RPI Raspberry graphic user interface a simple task. So here is my code, and I will just quickly run this code, and I can start with a bit of introduction. It has three simple radio buttons and one push button. These radio buttons will change the light color on breadboard as I will press, and this exit button does exit this user interface. I will start with green, and as I will press the green here, breadboard LED light will change to green, and we'll have a look in the breadboard. Here we have green. I will green, and then I will press the red in the interface, and red is on, and now I will change to blue, and blue is on, and green and red, and yeah, that's it. I will just give a little bit closer look. Blue. Okay, and now I will just exit this, and that is it. That's a simply demonstration. Thank you for watching.